The final drives of your machine have a tough job, so tough that they probably won't last the full service life of your machine. Each time a Caterpillar drive is due for replacement, you can decide to fit another original final drive. Fargo Drives offers a smarter solution, an alternative final drive with the same high quality and comparable specifications to the original. It's also delivered faster for a lower price. Fargo Drives is part of Verhoeven International, a Dutch company that has grown from being an overhaul company to an international player in 60 years in the area of earth-moving machines, undercarriage parts, and crawler undercarriages. We combine top brand quality with maximum flexibility. In addition to Fargo Drives final drives, we also supply Caterpillar drives from top brands such as Bonfiglioli, Brevini, and Doosan. These final drives are also always available immediately and are dispatched quickly with the correct drawings and product information. You can easily order them in our web shop. Fargo Drives supplies hydraulic and electric Caterpillar drives. The electric final drive delivers the same performance as the hydraulic ones when it comes to speed and power. A good alternative if you want a green one. So you need a new final drive? Go to the smart solution of Fargo Drives. Fargo Drives takes you everywhere.